Hi friends, today we are going to make okra masala, bhindi masala. So we have washed it, dried it and cut it into small pieces. Now heat the oil in the pan and add asafoetida. Pinch of asafoetida I have added. Half teaspoon mustard seeds and roasted bell. Add green chili and roast it. I have taken 2 green chilies, so you can add as per your taste. If you don't want green chili, then you can skip it. Now add your chopped okra or bhindi. So here we are not going to close the lid. We will cook it in the open pan. Otherwise it will be soggy and a little bit sticky. Stir it well. Then after 2 minutes we will add the spices. So we have to cook it for 2 minutes in the open pan and keep the flame in the low medium. Now after 2 minutes you can add salt as per your taste and stir it well. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast it for 5 minutes and we will add other spices. So it is 5 minutes over. Now we will add half teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now add half teaspoon garam masala and stir it well on the medium flame. Once you add the spices, keep the flame on low so your spices won't burn, and keep stirring it. So you can see it is almost done. So it is already 5 minutes. We have to leave it. So you can add half teaspoon raw mango powder, so it will give you nice flavor, and stir it. And leave it for 2 more minutes on the low flame. After 5 minutes I have taken out from the pan and I served in the bowl. So now it looks our okra is ready. It looks delicious and you can garnish with the cilantro if you want. So it will give you a nice taste. So you can have it with your chapati, naan or any kind of rice. So you can have taste it and you can have fun. Bye.